With the help of Ukraine's drone surveillance, they managed to find hangars which were storing multiple pieces of equipment. While it's smart to hide their equipment from being spotted from the air, the risk of having so much equipment together that close to the front line increases the risk of having it all destroyed together. Seen with Ukraine's drone army sending one after another FPV drone to take out the equipment, starting with a BREM armored recovery vehicle being mislabeled as a Terminator. Followed by tanks and armored vehicles, supply trucks and anti-aircraft guns, letting it all burn down, destroying a lot of Russian equipment, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.